In this video, I'll show you a new feature we have added to the Figaf application that allow you to actually transport API management objects. So one of the challenges I've had when doing API management was actually to understand what had changed between certain versions if I didn't really remember what was going on. So with Figaf, you now have the option actually to track all the different versions of your proxies during the development time. So you can see all the scripts and mappings that you have applied to it. And you can see versions between these. What you can then is you can actually register a business region for making any of these changes. So people will actually go and be able to see we made this specific change to it. Then we can transport it as individual objects imported into our QA system. And that is actually the full process. Let me just show you how this works. So here I am in my API management portal in my development. I can go in, I can change a policy. So it's a simple policy. We'll just change this to 20. We will update it, save. Now we've made a change to our proxy and there was a business reason for this. So we will go into our ERT application. Here we have the ERT application. We will click synchronize and this will download all the objects we have in this landscape, and we can see that it goes pretty fast synchronizing this. And we can then see what was changed last time, and we can see that there was this spike policy that was changed. And if we have a look, we can check versions, we can see the difference between these. So we can actually see the specific area that was changed, so that's okay. What we can then do is we can go actually and make a change, a ticket that we will create for this. So it's a spike arrest change for business reason, and then we've actually created a ticket that contains this information. So if we at a later point are going to look at these things, we can actually see what's going on. We then want to create a new transport. We simply just select our ticket, we select our landscape, and then we can select the proxy that we created. And now we have created a new transport for this specific change request or this change. We can import it on our QA system, and this will simply just import it. And if we then go to our QA system, we can go and see it has just been updated. We can go and we can see the policies that's been applied to this. And we can see that now we have a request weight that is 20 as we expect it to be. So you can see this is a pretty simple way of documenting what is being changed, what's happening in your landscape with one tool. And some of the things that we're working on right now is the ability to actually set up monitoring of these flows. And then you can actually download rules into the ERT application and set up rule processing. We may do something on the key value store, and also something about API testing if that is something that's requested by customers. But the Figaf ERT tool is actually a tool that supports multiple platforms in the same way. So it supports PI, PO, Cloud Platform Integration, and API Management. So it's just one tool that actually encapsulates all of these processing and makes it a lot easier for you to do development in it. You can go try it out right now on your own system. Go to figaf.com/IoT and try it out and see how well it works on your system. And obviously come with some feedback on what we can do to improve this. We really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and please be sure to like this video. I appreciate that. Thanks.